Hi everyone, Colleen here, back with another video. And in this one, I had to share the best fitness decision I've made in my entire life. So just a little background on me. I have reached the heaviest weight of 245, lost well over 60 to 67 pounds while alternate day fasting and being more active, being more physical. I am a 5'10" and I have an athletic build. The best fitness decision I've made was joining my local gym, Gold, and taking Body Pump, okay? So once again, the class is called Body Pump and it is created by Les Mills, and this is one of their many classes. This one is a strength training class. They've created specialized equipment that you can add weights and change how much you lift. Very unique and ingenious class. My membership is $50 a month for my Gold's Gym membership, and I mainly go there for the class. That's my washing machine, sorry. How many times a week do I go? I go to Body Pump around 2 to 3 times a week. Two to three. So why is Body Pump so life-changing? Body Pump has changed my body for the better as far as strength. True strength training. Not just like how I look, but my ability to be productive in life. Physical changes that I saw, right? These are the physical changes. True strength. True strength where you're able to lift things you didn't know you were able to lift. And it's easy, right? With ease. That's the part, because you can lift things, but you'll struggle. When you're able to lift and utilize every muscle fiber in your body for the best. That's what I experienced from taking Body Pump. And I have been taking Body Pump classes now around 2 months. Another physical change I experienced is posture. My posture, even right now, I can feel my spine is just straight in alignment. I'm not hunched. Erect. I am erect. God, that sounds crazy. But I just feel like I walk, my back is just straight. My gait is high, like I just feel regal. Feel like I carry myself so easily now because the back is strengthened, the core is strengthened. Everything that you need for high posture is corrected. Another physical benefit is body control. Since age 11, I have been working out, and I mean Tybo, Jane Fonda, Gilad, okay? Denise Austin, Steve Ross, with Inhale Yoga. When I tell you throwback, like you pop in the cassette, the VHS, I have been working out for a long time and I'm 32. But the body control I have gained with Body Pump, I move methodically. I don't stumble as much. Like I could catch myself if I'm a little off balance. I get up off of the couch with ease. I have a very physical job. I work part-time overnight as a UPS preloader. Physical to the next level. They actually put inside of the job description, do you want to get paid to work out? I average about 12,000 to 14,000 steps just at the job. Just at the job. Not even my entire day. I pick up packages, they could range from an envelope to a couch, okay? Yes, couches get delivered through UPS. There's a lot of pushing and pulling and picking and lifting in my job. Body Pump has allowed me to be better at my job. I literally benefited so greatly from doing Body Pump. I am less likely to be injured because I am strengthened. My muscles are strengthened. I won't pull a hamstring picking up a large box at work. I feel so in control. And definition and shaping, okay. And once again, I'm currently 188 as we speak, as I film this, and I just like, hey, I'm just very proud at the definition I'm receiving and the shaping, especially my lower half. I'm getting those, like I have that little gap in my thighs. And I'm finally, for some reason I couldn't target my hamstrings on my own. I'm finally getting the hamstring development I've so desired. So mental changes that I have experienced. There is a heightened sense of appreciation for my body that I didn't know quite before. And this is the beautiful thing about fitness. When you're able to change from what you see to how you feel, the gratitude goes up. The gratitude for your body goes up because now you're appreciative of these muscles that are able to carry your children. You're appreciative of these biceps that are able to carry these big ass Walmart bags. You're appreciative of these thighs that are bouncing you up off the couch. You're appreciative of the strong glutes you're building to bend over. My body, especially at work, the biggest place I have experienced all of these benefits is at work because I have a physical job. It directly correlates to how I see and appreciate these newfound strengths that I have. Also, the mental change is acceptance of my athletic build. I am accepting how I am built. I am of Jamaican descent, and Jamaicans, we built different, okay? We're built to win track meets. I've come to terms with my athletic build. I used to be very self-conscious about being jacked, being called champion. And if you're Jamaican, you know, oh, champion is like you're strong. And I hated that. I'd hate being called strong. But yeah, I'm accepting of my athletic build. If anything, I should have been in the Olympics and could have been on a Wheaties box by now. And another mental change I've experienced since going to Body Pump class, having a group, we're all working towards the same goal. I was meeting women of all ages, of all races, listening to this awesome music, lifting weights, getting our bodies together, getting our mind right, escaping life for at least 45 minutes. You understand? So that camaraderie was a wonderful mental change. So the class, let's get into what the class is like. What is Body Pump like and what makes it so unique? So the class is formulaic. You start off with a warm-up, then it goes on to squats, chest, triceps, biceps, some lunges, abs, and then stretch, right? That's the formula. So each instructor you get, well, you'll get a different experience, but it is a formula and it usually goes in that way. The equipment is patented. There's a bar, changeable plates that you can snap on, like literally snap on to the bar. You'll hear it click in, and you can also use the plates by themselves. They've made it so you can hold the plates comfortably and just use that instead of a bar. Risers, a mat. What makes Body Pump the difference maker for me, and which I wasn't utilizing on my own and I haven't been using in fitness, right, is time under tension. The amount of time that elapses at your most tension-filled point. So if you're doing a squat, right, and you come down, that's the tension part. The part where you are squatting, you stand up and then you come down. The down part is the tension. She'll leave you hanging there. She wants you to pulse, and that's where the magic happens. The time under tension is the magic of Body Pump, and I've come to that conclusion. That's what I've concluded. The time under tension is the magic. The magic. So if you're working out on your own, right? If you're working out on your own and you are not seeing the results you want, if you're a bit stagnant, if you are not getting the shaping and the results that you want, increase your time under tension. Start pulsing, start holding for 10 to 20 seconds. Do that, and I swear you'll be sore the next day. You will start to feel the results. You'll see the results quicker, faster, in a hurry, because 2 months of Body Pump and I am already experiencing what I've done for 6 months by myself. What else is special about Body Pump is that you use light to moderate weights, higher reps. So by myself, I was using very heavy weights because I was looking to build mass, build power, get gains. So I did a lot of heavy, high weights, moderate reps, say about 10 to 12 repetitions. Here, we're doing like 22 pounds on a squat, but we're squatting like 48 times times 3. So it's like, you're dying, but the lower weight with the high reps makes a difference. It's very good to change up the weights and the reps for your different goals, because the body responds differently to different things, and if you're doing the same thing over and over again, it's going to expect it and not give you the growth that you want or the changes you want to see as quickly. So having the lower weights with the high reps, beautiful. It's adjustable for your fitness level. So the weights can range from 2.5 pounds to 16 pound weights that you can adjust onto your bar. You could stack up to 3 plates on the bar. You can use no bar. You can use just the plates. It's super adjustable. So because sometimes I'm coming from work and my job is very upper body focused because I'm carrying, lifting, pushing, pulling, I'll do heavier weights at body pump, and I'll just do a 2.5 handheld plates for the upper body portion because I don't need all of that. Everybody's doing what they can when they want to. So it's okay to just adjust for your fitness level, and any level of person can do this. Any level, I swear you can. It's full body. Your entire body is getting shaped at this body pump class. The lower body, the upper body, your triceps, biceps, your core, which is very nice because we forget about our core very often. Every body pump class has core in it. You do warm-ups and you do stretching. Stretching is super important because when you stretch, it makes you less sore. The beauty about body pump is that it's full of compound movements. Now, compound movements are the movements that target multiple body parts. So there's squatting, there's deadlifts, there's lunges, there's clean and presses. It targets multiple body parts, and what that does is it gets you in shape fast. But it's full of compound movements. Compound movements get you fit fast. There's fun music. Every instructor has their own list of music. The most fun ones I've had was actually a male instructor, and he had a lot of Gwen Stefani, and I love Gwen Stefani, okay? He brought some throwback, like, you know when Gwen Stefani was working with Pharrell and the Harajuku girls? I'm feeling yummy head to toe. Oh, he brought, wind it up. Oh, he had the joints. I was smiling the whole class, but the music is just like, it pumps you up and you build a sense of community. So if you feel like you're missing that or you just want more interaction, a body pump class is a wonderful way to do that. Any class is a wonderful way to do that, but I love body pump for that. You see the same people and you kind of see, you watch them change as well. Like, oh, okay, I see your pants are getting a little big, mama. Good job, I see you. And then you see, like, you know, that person over there, she couldn't lift the bar at all before, and now this week she put 5 pounds on her bar, and I'm like, oh, she increased her weight. I'm proud. It's so wonderful to see. I don't know why, it's just like makes me gleam. I love it. So why a class versus self-training? You get the instructor, and the instructor is kind of like the key. For one, they're certified. They can't be hired unless they're certified, so they know how to get results from their clients, whether they're private or not. The beautiful thing about it is you're getting a private trainer, right, at a class cost. So you're having someone dictate how to make you move correctly, properly, because they're not only are they giving you the choreography, they're telling you what to do, they're telling you how to do it, how to correct your form, how to feel it more. Make sure your arms are in, make sure your knees are not locked, make sure your feet are turned. They're telling you how to properly position yourself, make sure your back is straight, neck is neutral. All these things that you probably don't know on your own and can't pay for privately, you'll get from the class. It's a great cheat code to get private training at public costs, you know, group costs. So take that, run with it. When you're self-training, sometimes it's hard to make yourself get to that next level, how to push yourself. You just stop when you stop. You've reached 12, okay, time to stop. No, ain't no time to stop. You better keep going until the song is done. Your legs are about to give out? Oh well, put the bar down and keep going. That is what creates fitness. You want to be fit, and you can't be fit and grow, strengthen yourself if you are stopping when you're uncomfortable. You gotta push a little bit past it, and that's the beauty of having a class. I've stopped focusing on my physique in body pump class, and I focus on strength, and within 2 months I found myself increasing my weights, finding deadlifts easier, finding my squats easier. I've been increasing the weights and they're getting easier. That's the beautiful thing. It's like I'm no longer looking in the mirror and being like, okay, my booty's getting big, okay, yeah, my thigh. I can increase my weights, and it's like it brings a new joy to fitness. It brings a new joy to exercise when you have mentally switched out of how I look into how I feel. And Body Pump has done a beautiful job in creating that awareness. You want to see your results, but to feel them, to feel your results is just a whole other beast. I will go to Planet Fitness and do my own strength training, my own lower body strength training, because I still want to build mass and get gains. And I don't find Body Pump more so for gains. I find it for strength. So there's a difference between mass building and strength training, if that makes sense. So I do my mass building at Planet Fitness once a week, and I do my strength training twice a week at Body Pump, okay? Would I recommend this class? If this video wasn't a recommendation enough, this question is an answer yes. Please, if there's any way for you to incorporate Body Pump into your life, and I really highly suggest going to the class. Of course, if you're able to get it online and do it at home, yes, that's fine. But something about joining the class makes you way more accountable. It makes you take it a little more serious. You have access to all the equipment, and you have access to an instructor that could even look at you and correct you, correct your form. Let you know that, hey, okay, you want to tuck this in, straighten that up. You won't really have that at home. So if you're able to, whether any gym that offers Les Mills, the Body Pump class is highly recommended in my eyes. It will transform you. There's no doubt about it. You will become physically strengthened, mentally strengthened. You'll become more appreciative of your body and all its capabilities. You are so grateful for the things you can do. You will have a lot more energy. You'll bounce up off that couch. You'll bounce up off the, you have a lot more balance, and you can eat a little bit more, you know, because now you're building muscle. Your body is burning more calories with the more muscle, and there's so many benefits. I highly recommend going to a Body Pump class by Les Mills, okay? So that's it. This is the best fitness decision I've ever made in my entire life. I've been working out since age 11. I am currently 32, and this is it. This is it. Body Pump, thank you. Thank you. Once again, I encourage you to incorporate strength training into your routine, any way, shape, or form, whether it's body, calisthenics, weights. Find a way to strengthen that body. It will make a difference. All right, on that note, I'm probably gonna head to the gym right now because sports bra, okay? I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.